Why you should eat 2 eggs every day? Number 1. You will protect your liver. B vitamins are not the only ovular micronutrients that contribute to eggs' beneficial effects on liver health. Eggs are also in the nutrient choline. Number 2. You are slowing down the aging process. Yellow organic pigments contain carotenoids, antioxidants, which can slow down the aging process. Number 3. You will lose weight faster. With a glycemic index of 0, eggs fill up and help you lose weight. Number 4. You are doing your skin and hair a favor. Biotin, vitamin B12 and protein are important for healthy hair and radiant skin. Number 5. You are lowering your risk of cardiovascular disease. This is because eggs contain omega-3 fatty acids. Number 6. You are keeping your eyes healthy. Vitamin A, lutein and zeaxanthin help the eye with light dark vision color, vision and daytime vision while protecting the eye from free radicals. Number 7. You are lowering the risk of birth defects. Vitamin B8 folic acid protects the unborn baby from damage to the central nervous system. Number 8. You are keeping your bones healthy. Vitamin D and calcium are very important for healthy bones and teeth. Number 9. You are protecting your brain. Your brain and nervous system requires the nutrients choline for transmitting stimuli. Number 10. You will boost your immune system. If you don't want to play with infections, viruses and diseases, add an egg or two to your diet. Number 11. You will save your life. It can make 11 essential amino acids which are necessary to sustain life. Things is there are 20 essential amino acids that. Number 12. You will lower inflammation. Lower inflammation has widespread health benefits that range from lowering risk of cardiovascular disease to improving the body's ability to break down fat. Kids should eat eggs especially. The benefits of eggs: boost brain power, protect eye health, facilitate muscle building, improve your mood, lower risk of cancer, encourages healthy hair and nails, help in maintaining healthy weight. Share this incredible knowledge with your friends.